smartphones.UAE. And today's hottest news has come from Samsung Galaxy.
Samsung Galaxy M01s to be launched with 3GB RAM. OnePlus Nord Freezer leaked. Oppo Reno 4 Pro specifications leaked. Redmi K30 Ultra features leaked now. Lenovo K11 Pro to be launched soon. Oppo Reno Mark II to get another certification. Realme 6S to be launched with a new name Realme 6i. Realme X50 Pro to get its updation. Honor 30 Lite and Honor 10X Max to get 5G support system. Reliance Jio to launch its new app Jio Meet conferencing app.
Samsung company is planning to launch a new phone in India with 3GB RAM. It is expected to have an upgraded version as well as a revised version of Samsung Galaxy A01s, as well as it will have two different variants that are 3GB RAM and 2GB RAM. It is expected that it is also going to have an amazing feature of the chip system as well as camera quality. It is expected that it has already been launched in Myanmar, but it would be the first phone to be launched in India. OnePlus Nord trailer leaked. Yes, it was expected that OnePlus Nord will be named as OnePlus Z globally, but now its religion name would be OnePlus Z and global name would be OnePlus Nord. Its trailer has been released on the various social media accounts of OnePlus, as well as it has been named as Dear Past. It was expected that it will have some amazing features, but now, due to the title, it can be said that it is resembling to the OnePlus 8 model. All the specifications and looks are exactly same as OnePlus 8, but some specifications have been upgraded too. It was expected that it will have a triple camera as well as dual selfie camera, and now the triple rear camera has been placed on the right side of the back screen, as well as the dual selfie camera has been placed on the left side of the front screen. Oppo Reno 4 Pro specifications leaked. It was expected by the company that it will be launched by the end of 2020, but now it is expected to launch in the mid of 2020. It has already been leaked in the Myanmar, whereas it will have some specifications and upgraded features. It is expected to have a VOCC 2.0 support system as well as 65-volt superfast charging. It was expected that Oppo Reno 4 Pro will have a refreshing rate of 90 Hz, whereas its most important and very special feature was expected to be the 3D curved display. All the specifications has been listed on the Geekbench site as well as on various other sites like Tina and many more. The Chinese company is planning to launch this phone in India very soon. Redmi K30 Ultra specifications leaked. Yes, it was expected to have a 120Hz display along with MediaTek chip system. Now it will also have a pop-up selfie camera along with quad rear camera. It was expected to have a title, and now company has officially named it as Redmi K30 Ultra, and now it has been titled as most premium device of the series. From various sites it has been leaked that this device is going to be the best one in the K series and will have all the upgraded features as well as some specified features and some special changes in them. That's why it has been named as most premium device of the year as well as most premium device of the series too by the Redmi company itself. Lenovo K11 Power to be launched very soon. Yes, Lenovo company is planning to launch its new phone Lenovo K11 Power in India very soon, but it is expected to have a resemblance to Moto G8 Power Lite. As we already know, Moto G8 Power Lite has already been launched and we have seen its specifications and looks. So it will be exciting to see whether the company Lenovo 11 Power Lite will be exactly same or will have some specified features too. It is expected to have a MediaTek Helio P35 chip system as well as 4GB RAM in it. Oppo Reno Mark II to get one more certification. It was expected that Oppo Reno Mark II will have another certification by the end of August, but now it has got another certification and has been listed on the site of Tina. It is expected that it will have a global name of Oppo Reno 10X Mark II and will have a variant of 128GB as well as 256GB storage capacity. We believe the sources that it will have 3 types of RAM, which are about 4GB, 6GB and 8GB RAM. As per the sources, it will have about 6.5 inches Ultra HD display. Realme 6S to be launched with new name. As per the sources, Realme 6S will have a new name, that is Realme 6i. It is also believed that it will have resemblance to Realme Nazaro 10, as well as it can have 64GB internal storage capacity along with 4GB RAM. If we believe the sources, it will have an excellent battery backup as well as great looks, but the camera quality would remain average. Honor 30 Lite and Honor 10X Max to have 5G support system. As per the sources, Honor's new two phone Honor 30 Lite and Honor 10X Max will have 5G support system along with 22 volts fast charging, as well as it will have 128GB as well as 64GB internal storage capacity along with 6GB and 8GB RAM. It is believed that Honor 10X Max and Honor 30 Lite will have some difference in their battery, that is Honor 30 Lite will have 4000 mAh battery whereas 10X Max will have 5000 mAh battery. It is also believed that their camera quality will be different, where 10X Max will have dual rear camera as well as 30 Lite will have triple rear camera. These were the Super Tech News for today. For more updates, stay tuned to our channel. I, Karishma Rana, sign off. Till then, take care.